What is going on, everybody? It's about 8:30 and today finally gonna be throwing on the TE37s. But first I need to do a couple things. I need to move my dad's car and pull my car back out and start loading everything up. So just for reference right now, as far as fitment, I could fit about 3 fingers. So I'm super excited and kind of nervous to see how the wheels look on the car without lowering it. So let's get right to it. Oh, one other thing, I don't know if they're gonna let me film putting the wheels on, so if I do get footage I'll show you guys, and if not then I'll just let them do their thing. Perks of having a hatchback. Alright, almost ready to go. Just a couple more things and then we'll be on our way. What's up, everybody? It's been like a week later that I haven't filmed, so but I do have the tires on already, tires and wheels. So let me show you guys what that looks like now that they're on. It looks freaking sick. I freaking love it. I don't think I need to lower it just yet, maybe later on in the future. But before I show you guys, the tires that I ended up getting were Yokohama Advan Apex. I went with the 265/35 18, and the wheels of course are 18 by 9.5 plus 44. I want to give a big thank you to Vividracing for hooking me up with the wheels and giving me an offer that I couldn't refuse, and also for rcompoundusa for hooking me up with the tires, getting me set. For your tire needs, you guys should go to rcompound. They're located in Whittier. Just DM them on Instagram. I'm gonna link everybody down below, so go check them out. They'll definitely help you out. But damn, this is what dreams are made of right here. Okay, so that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed watching today's video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers, so I know I can do it. I just need to upload more consistently. And I know I look kind of crusty, but I need a haircut, so, or I need gel, but yeah, my bad. Anyways, subscribe to my channel to get to 100 subscribers. Peace out, everybody. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.